Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again with another video. This time I was on my morning walk, took a different route, and I wasn't using my anamorphic lens this time. I was actually just using the straight up stock lens, but I did have my moment ND variable ND adjust filter, which I can adjust the ND filter on this one, which is very cool. So I was able to keep my levels exactly where I want it. You can see here in the video on the top of my histogram, I try to keep my levels through the whole video like this in this area right here. So again, if I show you the colors, whoopsie, where is that? I try to keep everything in this range here when I shot throughout the day when I was walking this morning. So I'm really happy with the footage. It came out pretty well. Let me quickly just show you my settings here. And I was playing around with the not histogram, but with the grid. I was using the golden spiral, and I also used where was it? I also used this one here too, just trying to test out different compositions on my shots. And again, like even right now, I'm using the golden ratio, which was like in the corner here. Let me see. There we go. I'm using golden spiral 1, and you can see I have my composition lined up right. This is my focal point, so I kind of have it lined up here, and you can kind of see the curve kind of rotates off, and then that's me putting this here on this side of here. So just practicing composition. But quickly also to show you the settings I use. Again, I'm running at the 4K setting, which I think 4K. And all that stayed the same. The only thing I really changed this time was the crop too. I did a 235:1 crop, which is something I used to use on my Canon EOS M with the Magic Lantern. I used to use this ratio a lot. I like this aspect ratio. It's very cinematic. And then I turned off de-squeezing because I'm not using the anamorphic lens. And again, no noise reduction and no sharpening on. So that's pretty much all I changed. And then I had to change my white balance because the color was a little bit different outside today because it was partly sunny, partly cloudy. So I did that. And then my gamma, I kept it on wide gamma, and I still using the Cineon film profile. So that was pretty much it. That was my settings for this video. I think this next video I might not put any music on it and just kind of make it more of a like atmospheric, relaxing morning walk style video. Something new we're going to try out here. So hope you guys enjoy. Patrick Levar, keep filming. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, links down in the description for all this jibber jabber.